Hello everyone, welcome back to Cliff's channel, and today we are gonna be going out because there is a fiesta on our town. The first thing we did is we went to the church to light up a candle for the fiesta. We also went to pay a visit on each saint on the church because we want to thank you all the blessings that we receive, and also there's something that we need to pray on because there's something that we need to ask. We need to pray. When our town's having a fiesta, there are a lot of people in here. When this town is having a fiesta, there are really a lot of people coming here to celebrate it and also to watch. There is a festival also in here that happened the other day. It is nice to go out on days like this because Cliff will really have fun looking at the people playing, running around, and watching the place. After we went to the church, we went to park so that Cliff can play and he will enjoy our outing. We are also happy to go out on the days like this because when we went to the park, there's actually a concert that's gonna be happening, and the band that's gonna be singing in the park is one of the famous band in the Philippines. So while we spend our time in the plaza, we bought Cliff a shark balloon because he really loves baby shark. So we thought that he would like having this shark balloon. And as we can see, he's really having fun playing with it. For me as a mother, it is really nice to take Cliff on places so that her learnings, his discoveries while he is growing up will enhance. He will be able to see the beautiful places and enjoy a lot of things and experience a lot of things. This park is really big, as you can see, and it is so nice for kids to play out here because it is safe, it is grassy, and here Cliff will be able to find a playmate because there are a lot of kids playing around. What, Cliff? Cliff, eh.
Ha?
Cliff.
Ay, ito ba?
Cliff.
Ano ba gulay? Huwag na.
Nagpunsa naman ni siya. Ganito ha?
Kerja mereka na. Pag nabi deh, ada orang na kamay kita kerja man. Dirty.